Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome to our 7th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamond. And grabe guys, pa-exciting ng pa-exciting ang bawat episodes. And for sure, alam ko mga kinikilig na tayo dahil dito na nagsisimula ang relationship ng saklay, which is Sam and Clyden. So ready na ba kayo? Nakiligin pa? Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Ito na siya. Grabe. Oh my God. Oh my God. Girl, naman itong dalawang na to. Hoy! Ito yung naudlot from last episode, from the previous episode. Like, I love you to. Okay, may label na sila. Alam na natin kung ano sila sa isa't isa. Ay, sana all. Sana all na lang talaga. Ipokis po. Sana all. Let's go home. Gusto ko yung kada words nila nagre-react ako. Like, yeah, guys, oo, ako lang to. Kinikilig ako. Ito yung pag-overthink ni Sam.
Sa master's bedroom na ba tayo matutulog?
Oh!
So, we're sleeping together tonight. Wait, I love you na kami to each other. Does this mean kami na? Pero what if favorites na yun sa kanya as they need to?
Kasi minsan, yung mga lalaki, hindi talaga sinasabi kung ano label. Pang, ginawa pang manghuhula yung mga babae.
Siya, ba? We like boyfriend, girlfriend thing? Say, hey, are we together na ba? Hey, are we a boyfriend, girlfriend thing, you know? Say, I wanna ask you if tayo naman, are we a boyfriend, girlfriend thing already?
Ayan. Go, Sam. Ano, hey lang? Ang dalawang to eh.
Wait, before you say anything, I know where this is going already. I know you want to ask me if tayo na ba officially, and I'm wondering the same
Yung
thing.
mukha ni Clyden.
We already said
Sobrang epic.
so I think we're officially together. That means we can sleep in the master's bedroom together. Yun yung sabi ko.
Okay. Sobrang daldal, Sam. Sobrang daldal.
Yeah, it's in my bag. Okay.
Hey. I agree with everything that you said.
Sila na.
Yes. I will sleep in the master's bedroom.
Pakis. Forehead kiss is so sweet talaga.
I see you then.
Okay, Sam. Ano na, Sam? Yes, Sam? Okay lang yan, Sam. Okay lang yan. Buti na lang agree si Clyden, di ba? Grabe. Grabe sa pagka-green flag. Matutulog na sila sa master's bedroom. Yes, Sam. Nag-aaral si Clyden. Nakakaloka. Hindi mo siya desperate moves, pero magkaibigan nga talaga kayo ni Yana. OMG. So, ganda pala yung other side ni Sam. Despite of being sophisticated, classy, Sobrang friendly. Sobrang nababago talaga ang ugali ng isang tao kapag in love, di ba?
You're still going to study at this hour?
Yeah. I have an exam on Monday.
I see. What time ko matatapos?
Maya-maya pa.
Matulog ka na, Sam.
Calm down, Sam. Nothing spicy has to happen tonight. Meron pa
So,
naman-
nag-expect pala siya ng something.
First night pa naman namin together officially.
Tapos, mag-aaral lang pala si Clyden.
Nice.
Siyempre. Sam niya po tumatapang. Oh my God!
Nag-LinkedIn pa nga.
This is my natural lip color.
Really? Let me check.
Ano yan, Sam? Yes? God, my God! Uy, ba't ganito? Hindi ako makapag-ingay kasi, oh my God! Gabi na. Sobrang init. So, guys,
Kailangan ko na mag-
paano yung nabitin, Sam? Bitin na bitin.
Is this your first time? Don't tell me. I don't know what to do with boobs.
Sam, I'm really weak. Just go to sleep.
He's so adorable.
Pang-asar na si Sam.
Okay. After you're done studying, at least, cuddle me.
Ay, nako. Sobrang epic. Gusto ko yung pinag-aaralan niya yung pagiging doktor niya through Sam.
Good morning, Maui.
Good morning. You need help?
Yeah, sure. Pinapatay ko lang si Summer.
Hello. Are you refreshed, huh? Let's go here. Here. You're so cute.
Yes.
Here pa.
Sobrang cute naman ng Clyde na yan. Hala.
Maui!
Nakakaloka. Parang medyo malakas yung... Yes! Ano ka ngayon, Sam? Pero, Sebis body pa din ako. Sorry. Sorry, Clyde. No offense, pero Sebis girl talaga ako.
This guy has been keeping his hot body to himself this whole time.
Ano ka ngayon?
Technically, he's mine now. So, thank you Lord for blessing, I guess.
Like what you see.
No, I don't.
Sige, deny pa.
You're attracted to me.
Napakahangin. Wait, check my phone.
Okay. Grabe. Grabe yan.
Hi, Ate. Just wondering when is your next visit? I'm just asking, no pressure.
Aww, so cute.
Hey, why are you smiling?
Naomi messaged me.
You should pay her a visit. I'm pretty sure she misses you.
You think so?
Yeah.
Ito yung maganda kay Clyden eh. Actually, sa lahat ng boys, super, 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 super supportive nila dun sa mga university girls. Like, go all out support sila. Whatever decision they made, nandyan sila. Diba kaya nga sila mga nasasaktan kasi sinuportahan nila yung mga decision ng mga babaeng yan. Charot! Pero, for real. For real, diba? Kami naghintay ng 10 years, 5 years,
Ay, ka pa.
and forever.
What? Sai prepared this for you. Ate, it's my first time to have food made specially for me.
Hmm.
And to that scary Kuya too, I can't believe he cooks. Scary Kuya?
Scared.
Think Sai scary? I can't blame you though. He looks so grumpy. That's why I thought swing it into dating
Grumpy
first.
pa nga.
Grumpy? Anong grumpy? Yeah, he looks like that. All the time. Pero ano? Like,
Nulit pa nga.
no? Yeah. Pero I know he's kind.
Hmm.
He even taught me how to use the light settings of the camera. He even encouraged me to continue photography. He likes my photos. He did? Yeah, nung time na umakyat siya sa room ko to call me for dinner, he
Sobrang-
caught me using your camera. So, ayun, he taught me how to use it properly.
Di ko alam na kinausap pala niya si Naomi.
Hmm.
It's such a Clyden thing to do.
Ate, I'm so happy he's your fiancé. You guys look so good together. And, ate,
Kung sana lang na-save siya ng maaga. Kung sana mas nag-reach out pa si Sam. Siguro hindi siya nagpakamatay.
I'm still
Spoiler,
learning how to
pero
use it.
hindi, feeling ko naman yun naman papanoorin tong part na to. Nakakatawa kasi ito yung part na nagkakaroon na sila ng
Tutorial video.
bonding ni
Minsan, ginagamit ko yung makeup ko. Ate, I'm sorry. I'm using it without any.
Aba, it's okay. Wala nga rin napansin.
sobrang bait talaga ni Sam. Like, ang ganda ng mga shots niya, diba?
Ate, pwede ka maging model.
Ano ka ba? You think so?
So cute.
Mag-aaral ako ng photography para ako mag-take ng portfolio.
Ito yung mga gusto nilang mangyari. Pero, life happens. Ang cute. Yung minsan na ang saya-saya nila, meron talagang kokontra at kokontra.
Really? Ah, I'll see what I can do.
Thanks, ate.
Tonta! Anong nawawala yung pera? Paano nawawala yun? Pag yung pera na yun wala bukas, ikaw mo.
Diba? Diba? Ayan. Yung sabi ko, pag sobrang saya talaga nila.
To my room na, ate, ha?
Yeah, see you soon.
Grabe yung takot ni Naomi
Sam,
sa mami ni Sam.
you still here?
I'm on my way out, Mom.
Who are you talking to?
Si Regent. Alam nyo, hindi ko ine-expect na siya yung Regent. Kasi, ang ine-expect kong Regent is
Yes, sir.
matangkad, pogi. Kengkoy pero pogi. Pogi naman si, what do you call his name? Pero may pala niya. Pogi naman siya. Pero hindi lang ito yung na-imagine ko.
Naomi did this. Nag-photoshoot kami kanina with Best for Camera. Yung gift ko. Ikaw ha? Didn't tell me na tinuruan mo siya. Thank you.
May ano ba sa green? Like, naka-green ako. Sobrang coincidence ba? Like, di ko talaga gets. Kasi, naka-green si Sam. Naka-green. Basta, ewan ko. Sobrang coincidence na ito yung color nung damit ko. And also, outside, sobrang daming naka-green.
Kasi nakusukan din isa para magbayad.
ka.
Ano, di ka pa ba tapos dyan?
Baka ako. Lord, sorry. Pinapanis mo na ako eh.
Mabuti naman nakakaramdam ka, no?
Wal.
Still.
Aba. Hindi mo talaga ayop ka eh, no? Alam mo, ganyan na ganyan ka din nung nandun tayo sa kondo ni na.
Oh my God!
Ganda talaga ng kamay ko. Kamay pala to.
Ano kamay ko?
Away na to!
Pero may kalatian. She's one of the girls who gets during college.
Alam niyo, bagay kay Lance yung specs niya, okay?
Elaborate on try to explain.
Mas umokay talaga yung specs niya. Mas gumwapo siya.
Okay, nice. Baba muna ako You guys continue.
Lalagot ka ngayon, Clyden. Muy ka na nga.
Sorry na. Ako pa kasi pero kung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Baby, bring ako.
Bakit nga?
Bakit pa ako nagagalit? It's in the past, Sam. Dapat dead mo na sa ganun eh. I know he kissed a total of 3 girls, but gaano niya kadalas nakakiss yung mga yun? Kaya ba magaling siyang umalik? Because praktisado siya.
Grabe mag-overthink ka.
Hindi ka dito matutulog? Alessandra, Lian,
Eva.
Eva.
Ayan na nga!
Those were the girls I kissed back in college. It was nothing serious. I'm sorry. Maui, please talk to me.
Pero si Maui, hindi niya sinabi kung sino yung mga nahalikan niya. Luge, luge.
You kissed your friend?
I told you it was only a dare. It was my freshman year. I was stupid. That was my dumbest year.
Eh, yung mga nilandi mo.
Lian, freshman year. Alessandra, sophomore year. Pero lahat ng yun, dare lang.
Lagi ka na lang na-deter?
I told you, I don't date. Nor I show any interest in dating.
Eh, now, what changed?
You happened.
You. Ang haba ng hair mo, Sam. Kahit hanggang dito lang yung buhok mo.
Ikaw na mapapasal.
Sana all. Diba? Pinapangakuan ng ganyan, tapos ito pa rin. Kita mo yan. Kita mo yan, Lord. Ganyan yung gusto ko. Uy. Eto na ba yun? Oh. Ano ba yan? Clyden, kung saan ka humahawak, ha? Yoda man, Clyden. Yoda man.
Okay.
Lagi na lang ganyan.
Stop. Why now?
Wait, but you were hard.
Huh? So, tinitignan mo nga. Anyways, after review, you have to sleep and I'll prepare breakfast first thing in the morning, okay?
Ano ba yan?
Good night.
Pag ikaw nagka-blue balls, ha? I need to be patient, pero this is killing me.
Grabe.
Sorry, I woke up late. Sabi ko pa naman, pagluluto kita ng breakfast. Babawi na lang ako sa'yo.
Eh, it's okay. Ikaw naman palagi nagluluto eh. Pero, if you really want, I know may para makabawi ka.
Such a tease, Sam. You're such a tease.
Ngayon na, no?
Yeah. All I need is your...
Ang aga naman yan, Sam.
I'm talking about this. Ikaw, following me back sa socials. Pinalo nga kita eh. Wait. What were you thinking?
Hindi naman tayong green-minded, guys. Hindi natin naisip yun. Hindi natin naisip yun. Promise.
Happy?
Good. Natatagal na nung request ko. Hindi mo follow back.
Actually, finalo kita matagal na. Pero in-follow rin kita kagad.
Huh? Why?
Dami mong lalaki.
Ako sa story mo, kasama mo na naman yun.
Si Sebi!
You're so petty.
Hmm?
Wife? We're not married yet.
You will be.
Hmm.
So we're not breaking the engagement.
Hindi na. Hindi na.
We're
Hindi
gonna
na.
get engaged. Whatever happens, I promise you that.
Let's eat breakfast now.
Okay, talaga sa tayo.
Okay.
Sana all.
Uy, Sam, ano ka palang plano mo sa birthday mo? Doon rin sa
Ayun na si Sebi.
Yeah, I'm glad to go to the coffees. Guys, save the date na ha. Hindi naman kami nawala sa painom mo, Sam. Yan ang head ko. Ako nung bahala iinom siya.
Yes.
Right mo, Sam, ha? Season na kasi kami. 3-week pa.
It's okay, Sam. Sam, huwag mo invite, please. Wow, please. Tuna, pag nalaman ni Calix na you're invited, for sure he won't go. Dapat lang. Peter mo naman. Forget ka? Yes! Ang ka-insto.
How about Martin? Diaz? Ikaw lang. May shopping siguro? Kaya tanong mo si Sadie yung...
Oh, malay ko ba? Yung tita ko nasa gym.
Yan kasi wag ka na maaagaw ng best friend.
Walang maagaw kung walang nagpapaagaw.
Oh! Walang maaagaw kung walang nagpapaagaw. Sevi 2025.
Napakasama ng ugali mo, Sebi.
Huwag ka ba walang naglalandi sa akin?
Kadiri. Ano nito?
Itong bardagulan ng dalawang to eh.
Baka mamaya may kakilala ka sa amin bigla sa birthday. Hindi ko wear. Meron? Ay, gusto ko. Oh my God! Feel the thing, sis.
Spill the tea.
Oh my God, ganun galit! I'm home. Sorry?
What's with the color green? She's wearing green talaga.
Are you going home na ba? I bought dinner for us.
Yata yung nakatulog siya sa kondo ng ibang tao. Not sure.
Mami, sorry. Wala ka nang kumain. Nagre-review
Ah, nagre-review pala.
Okay, don't forget to eat, ha? Good luck sa studies. I wonder if pauwi na siya. Kumain na kaya?
Yes?
Hey, sorry, I think baka magahin na kami rito. Don't wait for me, okay? Good night. I love you.
Pero mapapa-overthink ka na lang talaga kasi. Masyado mabait yung Clyde eh.
Make sure to eat the proper meal at wag puro kape. I love you.
Ang aga.
Good morning.
Morning.
Uwa, kain tayo.
Ah, this looks so good. Thank you.
Sobrang appreciative talaga ni Sam, no?
Around 7?
Tapos pinagluto mo pa ako ng breakfast.
Yeah, cause
Ang fresh ni Clyde na.
even your bawat. So Sorry ah.
Hey, I told you it's okay, Sai. I know it's not easy rin on your part since you're preparing na for courtship. I'm here to support you. Alam mo, ako nang bahala sa pagluluto. I can cook as good as you.
Pasta siguro, oo. Pero pag sa mga ulam, mas masarap pa rin luto.
Talaga? Ayaw mo talagang patalo.
Hey. I missed you.
Hmm.
Are you free today? Do you wanna go grocery shopping and then let's eat out after?
I would love to. Pero hindi ka ba natutulog?
No, it's okay. Just give me 1 to 2 hours para matulog. And then alis na tayo.
Okay then. Sige.
Okay.
Weekend ba? Sana ganito ka-flexi talaga yung oras ng mga nag-aaral sa pagiging doktor, no?
Ingredients. Ano ba bibigyan ni Naomi?
We're making brownies. Ikaw, are you baking po? Ba't ang dami mong biniling baking ingredients?
Hindi. May ibang dish ako gagawin. Basta, iluluto ko sa'yo next time. Daming messages ah. Work stuff.
No. I was sending invites for my party. So, nag-RSVP yung mga guys. Wait, do you wanna come? It's next week, Saturday.
Saturday.
Mukhang sila sana naman to.
Sabihin ko ba?
Hindi ako pwede. May puntahan kasi ng hospital ni Rich. Tapos mag-aaral din kami after. We have 2 major exams on Monday. Sorry.
Hindi ko matandaan kung alam ni Clyde na birthday ni Sam.
Baka mag-guilty lang siya about it. It's okay. Your exams are more important. Ate, I like this apron. We should take a picture. Oh, I'm glad you liked it. Actually, I ordered these online. Hindi pa nga hindi umabot eh. Okay.
Hmm.
How's school lately, Naomi? Same. My classes are relatively easy since I'm still a freshman. See, that's good. Did you really want to take outside?
Hmm.
I thought I wanted it. But I guess I just wanted to impress Dad and get validation from him.
Ano kayong course niya? Photography?
I hope you learn to enjoy your classes eventually. Sana nga. Remember, I'm proud of you as it is. And you don't have to do anything more. Okay? Thank you, Ate. As long as we're okay, all is fine.
Hmm.
I'm done here na. So what ingredients? Wanna mix it? Okay. Thanks. Ang hirap naman nito, Ate. Let me help you. Just don't overmix it, ha? Or else baka because you promise. Just mix it.
Feeling ko yung panginginig niya is because of anxiety nga. Anxiety, tas
Yeah,
takot dun sa nanay. Pero, ewan ko.
of course. You know what? I have a party sa BGC. You wanna go? Gusto ko tayo pakilala sa friends ko eh. I don't think kaya ko lumabas to party after what happened on my own birthday. But I appreciate you for wanting to introduce me to your friends. It's okay. We'll have a separate birthday celebration na lang. You, me, and Sai, since you won't be able to attend. He won't? Why? Let's go stuff. But it's okay. Hindi rin naman niya alam na birthday ko eh. Of course he knows. He's your fiancé.
Para siyang si, yung mommy ni Sam. Of course. You know.
Oo nga, no? Baka nga isa-surprise ako ni Sai later.
Sige, mag-assume.
Happy birthday!
Aww, sweet.
For me?
Hindi, sa akin. Sa akin, Sam.
Of course!
Talaga tong si Sam eh.
I compiled all our photos. Really? Oh my God! Yumi! This is beautiful. I love it. I'll treasure this. Thank you so much.
Parang mas masaya si Sam mag-bake kasama si Naomi compared nung sila ni Miss Claudine yung nagbe-bake. Compared dun sa nanay niya. Diba? Ito na nagpipicture sila. Let's take a picture. So, tara. Kulang nga yung smile mo. Ayan, mag-expect tayo para masaktan tayo. Ganon, Sam. Ganyan nga, Sam.
What if ito na yung surprise?
Kulang nagbukas ng ilaw. Hay nako, Sam.
Hey, are you still out? What time ka uuwi?
Yeah, coffee shop. Baka past midnight na. Still studying.
Ano ba yan?
It's midnight. So wala siya for my birthday sa lubong? Unless sinasabi niya lang yun. Then exactly 12
Sige, paasahin mo lang, Sam, yung sarili mo. Wala, nabinati na siya ng mga friends niya.
Mapagugunit na ako ng beach.
At ayun na nga. Di niya talaga alam.
Ang birthday sa lubong surprise. Walang birthday greeting. Ba talaga niya alam na birthday? Hello?
Happy na birthday, pa! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hindi siya masaya, hindi siya binati ni Clyden.
Thanks.
Huwag naman ang thanks. Bakit ako pinagsaya?
Si Clyden kasi. I think he doesn't know it's my birthday today.
Ang problema no, hindi pala po.
True, tama ka dyan. Iba talaga din to si Yana eh.
Inis na lang eh. Kasi naman yun ang ibigay.
True.
O sa, enjoy mo lang yung day mo. Baka naman may hinanda ng to si Clyde for you. Wala. Hindi, awayin mo. Balik naman yung pagtapos sa ganyan eh.
True.
Sabi mo na lang sa kanya, ipabawi na lang yung tanungan.
Yana!
Nakakaloka talaga tong si Yana.
Oh! Hi, babies! Wanna eat that? Okay. Eh, oops. Here you go. Wow! Oh, so many. Take a smile.
Smile. Sige, mag-smile yung mga asa na yan. Kaloka tong si Sam.
Look, I
Thanks, Maui.
Hindi ko talaga alam kung alam niya or nawala na siya ng sense of date.
Yun lang. Oh, happy birthday. Summer, why are you not eating? Eat na. Here.
Ah, wait. Okay, natatandaan ko na. Ito yung nag-overnight siya, nag-aral na siya. Para sa Saturday, makapunta siya dun sa birthday niya.
Really? How's my makeup? I did the eyeshadow technique you taught me.
Beautiful. Enjoy the night, ate, ha? Happy birthday.
Thank you, Naomi. Bye. Tapos ng araw, hindi pa rin niya ako binabati. At this point, I'm not expecting anymore.
Oo, ito yun. Ito yun. Yung ano siya, overtime.
Do you even know it's my birthday today? It's useless.
Grabe yung away nila.
Thank you guys for coming. Enjoy the party! Yeah! Are you guys okay there?
Sam,
Oh, Sean, we're here!
of course. Happy birthday.
Si siya na laging laman ng party.
Didn't have to, but thank you. You can put it there.
Sure.
And nag-serve na sila ng drinks. I know you like it.
Nice. Because you're gonna came for drinks, di ba?
Free drinks. Babaero talaga tong si Sean. Pero alam nyo, kuha na ni Jairus yung gusto natin.
Wala si Severus kaya ngayon. Nandito si Kens kaya. Happy birthday!
Aww. Kay Sean yata siya magsiselos. Ay,
Alex is not here, don't worry. Hindi ko naman hinahanap yung...
talaga ba, Luna? Talaga ba?
Makita ko hinahanap na yung gusto mo. Ano, may box sila? Saan naman yung damit ko? Oh, I love this song! Girls, let's dance! Tara, mag-dance!
Iniiba yung usapan.
Sam, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, ito yung nakadate. Yan.
I need a break from training. Good thing Hattie's been, raving about a bunch of parties.
Si Ate talaga. I wonder kung ano pa yung mga sinabi niya sa'yo.
Oh, he said you throw the best parties out there. So, I had to check. Although he did warn me na I might get a little too flexible. Wait, there's something in your eyelash.
Ay, naku naman. Nice. Okay, eto na naman tayo sa selosan.
I'll just give it back.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Ito na naman. O, ba't ka pumunta?
Wait.
Oh my God. Ang bilis naman ng parking nito.
Hey! What?
Sige.
No! I'm not leaving.
nice gift for you. Only to see you having fun with some other guy. Wait, yun ba yun? Yung football player slash what? Environmentalist?
I'm not having fun with another guy. We were just talking, and he saw something stuck on my face. Inalis lang niya. That's it. It's nothing. I'm the one who should be mad right now, because he didn't even greet me. I waited the whole day, pero wala. I felt really bad.
Ito na ba yung car scene? Hindi ito yun eh. Alam ko hindi ito yun eh. Hindi ito yun eh.
Sorry.
Gusto ko yung biglang nang susunggab tong si Lance.
Set ako night reviewing so that I could show up to your birthday party.
Di ba tama ako ito ngayon?
I'm really sorry, Mom.
It's okay. You're here now.
Pero alam ko hindi ito matutuloy eh. Hindi pa dito yun eh. Or dito. Pare ako hinihingal eh. So yung may pag-ato, masyadong X-rated yung scenes na dun dito. Mami! Oh my God!
It's the
Okay, si Sam na yung... So, tama nga ako. Ito yung scene wherein nag-aral ng madami si Clyden. Kasi nga, gusto niya makapunta dun sa party ni Sam. And unfortunately, nakita niya nakikipag-usap si Sam kay Lewis, which yun yung lalaking dinate niya. Para makalimutan si Clyden. But anyways, grabe tong episode natin. Episode 7 is super, super wild. Like, grabe. More to come, direct. Good job, good job. And yun lang. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you watch on my next vlog. See you. Bye.